Happiness is the warm sunlight kissing your skin. It's the scent of the flowers growing on your enemies' corpses. Happiness is the liberty, realizing no one's looking out for you. Happiness is the frozen spoon upon your swollen eyelid, and it gets slightly better. Yeah, it gets slightly better. Yeah, it gets slightly better. Happiness, it gets slightly better. Happiness, happiness is to walk over the bloodstained battlefield, is to stand on the podium drenched in a rival's tears. Happiness is to go under the knife to fix your body, any part out of place of a mold we have shaped, and it gets slightly better. Yeah, it gets slightly better. Yeah, it gets slightly better. Happiness, it gets slightly better. Happiness is a love song thing until its heart stops. Something else takes over and tries to reason out, so it won't happen again. Happiness is to play pretend, cover the cracks with the makeup so we can acknowledge what we don't see now. 'Cause everything's perfect, and it gets slightly better. Yeah, it gets slightly better. It gets slightly better. Happiness, it gets slightly better. Yeah, it gets slightly better. Oh, it gets slightly better. It gets slightly better, 'cause everything's perfect. Okay, thank you.